Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are playing tower and we are gonna get 1,000 Tower of Hell coins, whatever. And yeah, guys, we got this. I probably played like 3 rounds and I got 9,017. Oh god. Oh god. We could go. No. We got this. Yeah. We got this. Go. No, I hate where that like gaps. Oh, and they buy shield, whatever, invincibility, right when I die. Oh well, it's a game. Go. Oh my god, I thought I was literally gonna fall right there. Oh god, no, I shouldn't have even moved. What? It's like I'm following this guy. Why would I be following him? Even though I am. Stop it! We're not gonna make it up. My sister's probably listening to me. Oh well. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Go, 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 go. Can I make it up this thing? No. I'm not gonna try. Even though that was like a long time ago. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm concentrating. Very good-ish. Oh god, I hate this one. Well, with invincibility, it's not that bad. Because all you do is walk. God, oh my god. Okay, guys. Get some music. Not. This video is probably gonna get copyrighted because I have very like not really loud music playing though. But you guys might hear it. So it might get copyrighted. Oh well, who cares? Oh god. Oh god. Stop it! Stop it! I hate when these stupid ones do that. Okay, now I just go. I don't know how people do it. Do like this thing and they get up faster. See, I can't do it. So. Okay, guys, we've officially reached 1,090. Yes. Okay, let's just go all the way to the top. We have one more. Well, it's weird now. I'm doing better on camera now. So weird. Oh, God. Go, 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 go. Oh, yes. Oh, God, go. No. Oh, my God. Yes. I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Okay, we are at 210 on this thing, the little board, the thingy to see where you are. Yes, and we made it. Yes. GG to me. Okay, guys. Well, we need to unbox some things, obviously. Okay, let's unbox one. Please be something good. I don't know. I think I just wasted my coins. Oh well, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I was hoping I would get the Pride Trail. Wait. Pride Trail. No, not trailer. Pride Trail and Tower of Hell. This one, the Pride Trail, you know that? I want it so bad. It's like, yeah. Thank you so much, you guys, the best. You guys are the best. Subscribe, like, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Yeah, I always do that. And yeah, bye-bye, guys. Oopsies.